Are you having a hard time doing your eye makeup? If hashtag struggle is real ka with your eye makeup, then this video is perfect for you. Hello gorgeous! It's me, Rick. Welcome back to my channel. On today's Rickified, I'll show you how to do an easy everyday smoky eye makeup. This eye makeup is very wearable. You can use it at work, doing errands, or if you want to go to the market, mamalengke, at gusto mong maging maganda, why not? In less than 3 minutes, tapos ka na with your eye makeup, I promise. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So for this tutorial, we will use 2 shades of eyeshadows lang. Isang lighter, tapos isang darker. So sample, from this soft glam palette from Anastasia, this one and this one. Another one from Maestro palette, Anastasia. Gamit na gamit. So pwede mong i-combine itong dalawang to. So one lighter, one darker. Or from this NARS, this is Wanted palette. So itong dalawang to, pwede din. But for today, I will use Eye Quat from Tom Ford. This is my favorite Eye Quat from Tom Ford. Gamit na gamit siya dahil siya ay basic brown. So itong dalawa ang gagamitin natin. Isang lighter, isang darker. And dalawang brush lang din, isang flat brush pang apply ng product and isang blending brush. Yan. Isang flat brush, tas isang blending brush. Any brand will do. So first, we need to prime our lids. Akin na prime ko na kanina using my foundation. But if you have oily lids, you can use any eye primer. Then, i-blend nyo kung may creasing. Then, set it with any loose powder or any neutral powder. From this palette, I can use this one. Para lang maging smooth yung a-applyan natin ng eyeshadow. Pag hindi ka kasi nag-prime ng lids, doon nangyayari yung hirap na hirap ka mag-blend. Tapos ayaw lumabas yung pigment ng eyeshadow sa'yo. Parang kahit anong patang mo, nagiging patchy-patchy lang. So, prime your lids para maiwasan yun. So, first, let's get the lighter shade. This one. Tapos, ilagay lang natin yung color sa lid. Don't forget to tak-tak. And after applying the product, use the blending brush to blend it. Light hand lang. Iwasan nyo yung So, dapat yung tip lang yung nagtatouch. Tapos, light hand. Tapos, i-blend nyo lang yung edges. Dapat seamless. Kung hindi mo nakikita kung saan nag-end, hindi mo nakikita kung saan nagsa-start. And then, I will use the flat brush to apply it under. Same shade. So, yung tip lang niya, pang-apply ko sa ilalim. Don't be afraid to put eyeshadow under, ha? Nakakabilog siya ng eyes. There. And then, apply the darker shadow sa immediate lid lang. There. And then, blend it using the blending brush again. Yung edge ulit nung dark yung i-blend mo. So, pagbe-blendin mo lang yung dark and light. Okay, I'll just do the other eye. Next is liner. But you can skip it if you want. If you have good lashes naman, so mascara na lang. Ako mga mascara na lang ako. I will curl it with my Shiseido Curlash. Give it a good curl.
Oh yes, Daddy!
If you will skip your liner, go for a super black mascara. So this is Mascara Terribly by Terry. Buy ko lang siya from the Roots. See? Big difference kapag may mascara.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
And here you go, our easy everyday smoky eye makeup look. So, diba, ang dali tsaka ang bilis lang. So, practice lang ng practice. If nakuha nyo na yan, less than 5 minutes, tapos na kayo. So, practice lang ng practice hanggang makuha nyo. Don't forget to like this video if may natutunan kayo. And of course, please subscribe to my channel kapag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe and click the ring bell button para ma-notify kayo every time nagpo-post ako ng new video. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung last video ko, ito siya. And please don't forget to subscribe! Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.
If hashtags you have, okay, I will skip it now. For your lashes, but everyday Smokey eye.